Hey YouTube, welcome back guys and happy Friday. I want to give a shout out to Aaron Tavar for requesting this airsoft guns that I'm going to do unbox. I got this at the Big Fire Sporting Goods. Retail price is $49.99. So here you go guys. Just kidding. Let's move on to this cheap 99-cent gun. So this is the Frenchie by Stunt Studios, Miami, Florida. This one is the velocity shoot up to 300 feet per second. And then the magazine capacity is 44 rounds. It offers a spin shot system, stunt police model. I guess they spell out the police wrong. Endorsed by Kyle Woods. So as you can see, the retail price is $49.99. I believe we got this on sale for $29.99. And this one is fast, offering fast shooting foregrip, anti-shock absorbs. And this is the shotgun SPAS 12 pump action airsoft gun. Okay. So again, it is the same description. I'm just showing what's showing on the top of the box. I do 360 view of the box normally, so here we go. And this is what it shows on the bottom. So you got to be 18 or older in order to purchase this kind of airsoft gun or BB guns. It says adult supervision required, age of 18 plus. And this is the barcode right there. And this is what shows on the back. Same description right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. There's nothing inside. So it comes with this black cardboard box, okay? And then there's an instruction on the bottom here. Airsoft shotgun. The caliber, it is 6mm airsoft BBs. This one is made in Taiwan, which is better quality, I guess. And here's you need to learn the parts of your new airsoft gun first. There is a front sight, rear sight, magazine, loading handle, trigger, safety, and then a grip. And then on number 2, it shows you how to operate push magazine follow all the way up until stops, then lock it in the end cap, as you can see right there. So you gotta push it back until it locks into the end cap, and then load the BBs to the magazine. If you have the bottle with the quick loader, that's what it's gonna look like. And then hold the magazine slantwise while loading BB. And then you insert it. And number 3, you put the loaded magazine slantwise into the receiver. Or like that. And then insert, this is part 4, insert magazine into receiver. And then turn circle sleeve to lock magazine. And then step 5, you're gonna press the magazine to load BBs into the firing chamber. And then put the loader handle back. So that's how you cock your BBs. Okay. And then there is also a safety lock nearby the trigger. So you got to be sure to use 6mm. Has to be 6mm or less. And then you could aim the target. And this is a caution guy right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this one out. So here is your rear sight. Gotta look through that hole. And then here is your front sight. And here is where you gotta push to cock your gun. Then this is a safety button right here. I mean to lock and unlock. And this is your trigger. Your handle. You see what it says right here? Now a toy wear eye protection to prevent serious injury to the eyes. Read owner's manual before using. Made in Taiwan by Aftermath. So let's go ahead and take out the cartridge. So let's say you got to push this one all the way back until you stop. So I'm going to push it through until this thing sticking out, okay? And then now you can load the BBs in here. I got some of the green plastic BBs right here. I'm going to load. Well, I'm just going to load 3. I don't want to load too much. just to test out for you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this one is oops, oh my bad. I'm sorry. Ooh. You gotta look at here where you load the cartridge. There's like a little slip right there, or the notch. You gotta make sure this thing go into the notch right there, else it won't go in. So either this way. Let me see if I can go the other way. Oop. Nope. So it only goes one way. Okay. Make sure the notch that's on the top. So they want you to load the BBs in there first. Okay. And then hold it slantedly. And then put your gun in there, or load into the cartridge like that. And after that, you gotta twist it clockwise to lock into position. And after that, you're gonna push this button, and it's gonna load the BBs. Okay, now hear that sound. Let's see. Let's do a test shot. So right now it's not locked, so when you press it up, you see that red showing. That means your gun is into a lock position, okay? So now you're gonna cock it. And just gonna shoot it real quick. Oh, make sure you take out the safety. Push in. There you go. So there's 1, 2. What happened? It doesn't shoot. Oh, did not get loaded or what? Hopefully it didn't get stuck. But anyway, this is my unboxing for this Frenchy AirSoft gun. Hopefully you guys like the video and give a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification, guys. Alright? And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy Friday. Peace.